Certain private hospitals should treat COVID 19 patients for free or for a nominal cost, so says the Supreme Court of India. That and all the other big stories of the day right here on Outbreak News. The Supreme Court today asked the centre to identify private hospitals where COVID 19 infected patients could get treatment for free or at a nominal cost, according to news agency PTI. A bench headed by the Chief Justice of India observed that there are private hospitals which have been given land either free of cost or at nominal rates, and they should treat coronavirus infected patients for free or at a nominal cost. The bench was hearing a plea which has sought to regulate the cost of treatment of COVID 19 at private hospitals across the country. The central government has said it will respond on the issue. The WHO has said that the Americas, which is to say the continents of North and South America, have emerged as the new global epicenter of COVID 19. A US study forecast deaths surging in Brazil and other Latin American countries through August as the WHO warned countries to not start easing restrictions. The Americas have registered more than 2.4 million cases of the disease and more than 1,43,000 deaths from COVID 19. WHO officials are also concerned about accelerating outbreaks in Peru, Chile, El Salvador, and Nicaragua. South Korea has reported 40 new coronavirus cases for its biggest daily jump in nearly 50 days, causing alarm in a country where millions of children are returning to school. Most of the new cases came from the densely populated Seoul metropolitan area, where officials have been scrambling to stem transmissions linked to nightclubs, karaoke rooms, and an e-commerce warehouse. South Korea has been widely lauded for its handling of the COVID 19 pandemic, but as the country eases restrictions, there are fears of a second wave of infections. Another country which has been lauded for its handling of the pandemic is Vietnam, which has not reported a single death from COVID 19 so far. The country is now ready to start admitting foreigners again and will start issuing visas to citizens from over 80 countries from the 1st of July. A blanket ban on foreign entry was imposed back in March as a part of its measures to contain the virus, but international tourism is a sizable part of the country's economy, and it hopes to attract more tourists with its low number of cases. New Zealand and Australia are all set to safely start travel between the two countries. Both countries currently have no plans of opening their international borders in general. A proposal about the travel corridor will be presented to both governments in early June. Both countries have slowed down the spread of the coronavirus to levels well below those in Europe and the US, and New Zealand has not reported any new cases of COVID 19 for 5 days in a row. Those were all the biggest stories of the day. For all the latest on the coronavirus outbreak, both from India and across the globe, stay tuned to NDTV Hop Live.